Welcome at Kersten, leading in bending technology and an expert supplier of curved aluminium components and ready-to-build-in sub-assemblies. With more than 60 years of experience, we are known to excel in quality and reliability. Kersten is always pushing the limits of what is technically possible. Bending aluminium is often just the first step in realizing custom-made curved sub-assemblies. We provide specialist advice and take care of project management and engineering. Our team works with an extensive range of CNC bending machines for rolling, mandrel bending and stretch bending aluminium profiles. Using specially developed 5-axis machine centers, bent products are provided with 3D contours, slots, drill holes and bevel cuts. In addition to bending and machining, our services include certified welding, 3D measuring, surface and heat treatment, electrics and assembly. The aluminium profiles we bend and the curved modules we then shape contribute to the aesthetics and functionality of modern architectural buildings and facade constructions. Lightweight frameworks for futuristic mobility means, advanced machinery equipment, precise medical devices, and many other innovative and sustainable designs. As a technology partner, driven by a passion to always take the next step in realizing curved structures, Kersten strategically teams up with clients in as early a project stage as possible. Together, we turn imaginative ideas into smart solutions and custom-made curved products all over the world. Kersten, the future is curved.